Hi everyone, in this video we're going to share a successful case study around Facebook ads for golf accessories. We are going to share with you details as to how we helped one of our clients to generate revenue of more than $464,000 through Facebook ads. The client had an online store offering golf accessories. We were already running Google ads for this client, and after seeing good results and generating better ROI, the client thought of investing into Facebook ads also. So our objectives of running Facebook ad campaigns were brand awareness, increase in sales, increase returns on ad spend, and grow an audience base. The client had already hired another agency to run Facebook ads but had not seen much traction. When we analyzed the existing Facebook campaigns, we realized the following challenges: lower ROI, poor campaign structure and targeting, poor campaign optimization strategies, no split testing or A/B testing put in place, conversion rate optimization was not there. And this is what we did for them. In the first step, we analyzed their account to see what was going on with their current campaigns and how they could be improved to generate more sales with a better ROI. We found that there was a lot of room for improvement. The previous campaigns were too generic and not properly strategized. Secondly, they had only traffic campaigns running in the account. However, we have since set up campaigns for conversion objectives and catalog campaigns. By doing this, we can test different objectives and audiences to see what works best for our products. So far, the conversion objective campaign have worked really well and helped to improve the overall ROI. A/B testing is always important to find the best performing areas, and that's why we tested different ad copies, creatives and ad placements to see what works best. As a result, the client is now generating $400,000 of revenue, and that too at a ROS of 14x. In the case you are running any Facebook ad campaigns and are not seeing much movement in terms of leads or sales, feel free to get in touch with us. We surely will be able to